Hi, I'm Jonathan, and today I'm going to quickly show you how to replace or reset the battery in your DW Pro headset. So let's dive in. Step 1 is to remove your DW Pro from its base. We'll flip it around to the back, and we'll find that the battery is under this door on the far side of the headband. There's a little lip here, or seam. Get your thumbnail in there and pull apart. Sometimes it can be a little stiff. And then you'll pull your battery out, and we'll find that the battery has some wires connected into a little white plug that's going into a receptacle on the inside. We're going to pull on the wires, gently pull them apart to disconnect it from that receptacle. There we go. If you're doing a replacement, grab your new battery. If you're doing a reset, we'll leave this one out for 30 seconds. At that point, we're going to reconnect by sliding that white plug into its receptacle gently. There we go. There's a little resting spot on the side of the battery compartment where we're going to rest the wires and seat the battery again. There we go. We'll put the battery door back on, snap it into place, press nice and firmly until it snaps shut, and then we'll pop it back on your charger where we'll leave it to charge for 1 hour before we use it again. And that's all there is to it. Now, if you have any other questions or you need any other help at all, as always, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-HEADSETS, where any one of our headset advisors would be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.